Hashbrowns on Sunday, and we're all out here because someone burned Hashbrowns. So did the fire alarm wake you up?
How'd you manage to get out?
Huh?
How'd you get out?
This guy called me.
Who? Huss?
Yeah.
Oh, Huddy. Huddy Huss.
I was like, who the fuck?
Interview.
So it's not an interview, Marco. Fuck off, man.
Some motherfucker burnt Hashbrowns. Hashbrowns.
We better wait, man.
What do we say for over an hour for Hashbrowns? Oh, yo, bro. Yo, so why did you put that part in? I do not have a crush on Lynn McCain. No way.
The pod can't hear you, man.
I'm gonna go. Whatever you want. I'm gonna go.
Thank you.
Right, just gonna let you know, yeah, if you start heading round that way.
Alright, no problem.
Yalla, fi set.
Alright, guys, we went out. Me, Tim, Ryan. We're going to W. James Smith. Left of me. He didn't bring a mask again. Alright, we're going back to textbooks for Tim. I'm looking by anything. I'm just accompanying him.
What's wrong with this guy?
I don't know. Anyways, let's go.
300 years of foreign rule.
I think it is.
Sweet home Alabama. Yo, I need to get some vlog, man. Hey guys, he's eating his lunch, McDonald's. I'm just chilling here.
And Andrew's just sitting there shirtless. And Andrew's got his looks like I'm about to fucking behead the poor kid.
Where are we going next?
Might meet him. Huss.
Huss. Oh, you enjoying your food? Apparently we won apparently Ryan won a free cheeseburger or 6 chicken nuggets.
Oh, we want that shawarma.
But apparently it expired, but you opened it now.
No, you said 8 the other time.
No.
So I'll see you guys.
Service brought it down to a 6.
Yo, I'm covering camera.
It's okay.
Yo, we're going to mini golf with Hadi, Ryan, Timmy, Haas, and Adam. I'm having a caffeine drop out here. I studied too much and I caffeine dropped it, and I'm dead. Anyway, I think we're playing mini golf or bowling. I guess I'll see you there, kind of. My fault. Alright, we arrived at the mini golf. I got a sticker from Haas. It's Haas's birthday today. Yeah. Let's go. Mini golf sucks, man.
Bit separately.
Beautiful shot. Ow. Beautiful shot. Oi! Oi! You're not playing? Oh shit.
What happened you wrote? Oh, yeah.
3.
Alright, 2. Yep.
Oh, that's 4.
He's 4.
Oh! Yo, I think I'm too caffeine crashed. I don't think I'm gonna record this. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys next time. Still playing golf. But I'm tired.
Wait, so you don't become a coach?
This is the last time I'm eating out.
Mayo if you have a bit of mayo.
I ordered over there, that's my shawarma, I guess, lamb shawarma with garlic sauce. And got meat there. Paid $4.70 for this. And yeah, I'll wait a few months. Thank you. Thank you so much. Alright, shawarma. I'm gonna wait for these guys to get done.
I'm not supposed to bring that yet. One here and one takeaway.
One here, one takeaway, please, out there.
It's fucking hot as fuck.
Oh, that one. Yeah, fusion. Yeah, I know.
I would say
But I'm pretty much paying
7 out of 10.
How are you paying £12 a month? 124 for 12 months.
And if I'm taking...
Alright, we're heading home now. We got Adam takeaway with another shawarma. Yeah, he's fat fuck, yeah, I know. See you guys in the common room. Peace. We're actually.
Wait, you think...
This is the Moretto place we bit. Moretto Glasgow. Decent, 7 out of 10. The landowner is pretty like, there's no flavour in it. The only flavour is the garlic sauce, so maybe 6 out of 10. But yeah, see you guys in the common room. Yo, so finished playing poker, snooker. Now tomorrow is my class. My first class, and I'll go and sleep early. And I'm gonna have a time loss of sleep tomorrow, I guess. So I'll see you there. Good night. Bye bye. Okay, dude, I just realized my Mondays are all fucked up. I have consecutive classes. So I have two online lab classes, and then straight after 2 online classes, I have 1 tutorial which is on campus, but I can't leave halfway through the lesson. It's weird. So what I'm gonna have to do, I have to wake up at 6 a.m. 6 a.m. to then go to the library. I hate library, man. Then I have to watch the lessons in the library. Then I have to. I have to go to campus first, find the room, and then I have to go to the library, watch the lessons, and then I have to go to tutorial, because that's on campus. Oh, but I'm gonna hate Mondays. Oh, fucking hate Mondays. Oh my god, I hate Mondays. I hate Mondays. Oh my god, Mondays. Anyway, I have to pack everything, for fuck's sake. Alright, I'll see you guys 5 a.m. Pack everything, get ready, eat. Okay, my first lecture is on 9 a.m. straight. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., 11 a.m. to 12. I'm looking forward to it, but I'm not looking forward to Mondays. I need an hour gap at least. Fuck. Anyway, this is probably going to be uploaded very slow, so I'll see you guys later when I have time to edit. See ya.